Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to create multiple folders all at once with different names using Notepad in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Notepad application, and now here just type md space. So now you give the names for all the folders. So say, just to give you an example, let me give office. You can give any name, whatever you like, and after that once again hit space. So how many folders you want to create, just give their respective names. So I'll give different names. So I'll create 4 different folders at a time. You can add multiple folders as much as you want. So just to give an example, I have created 4 different folders with different names. So I've given 4 different names, so you can see here. And after that, just click on the file and click on the save. Now here, give any name, whatever name you want to give. So I'll just give a name, create folders, and just add .bat. Just add this extension .bat, and after that click on save. Now just close this window. Now you can see here we have created one batch file. So what you need to do is now just double click on it. Voila. Now you can see here it automatically creates different folders with different names just by clicking on it. So it's not very easy, right? So in this way you can create multiple folders all at once with different names using Notepad in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.